prosecution of Douglas Vaughan begins today.
63-year-old Douglas F. Vaughan has been indicted by a federal grand jury on charges stemming from a fraudulent investment operation that was actually a multi-million-dollar Ponzi scheme. The 30-count indictment generally alleges that between 2005 and 2010, Vaughan operated a promissory note investment program as a Ponzi scheme, which he marketed as a means of generating revenue to grow his real estate business. It further alleges that Vaughan owed more than $76 million in unpaid principal and interest payments to approximately 600 investors when the fraudulent scheme collapsed in early 2010.
As a result of this scheme, hundreds of investors stand to lose tens of millions of dollars, and in some cases, investors have lost their entire life savings.
The indictment was unsealed this morning by the U.S. District Court of New Mexico after law enforcement officers arrested Vaughan at a residence in the North Valley. It charges Vaughan with 3 counts of wire fraud, 17 counts of mail fraud, 5 counts of money laundering, and 5 counts of false writings and documents. If convicted, Vaughan faces a maximum penalty of 20 years in prison on each of the wire and mail fraud counts, a maximum 10 years in prison on each of the money laundering counts, and a maximum 5 years in prison on each of the false writings counts. The indictment seeks forfeiture of a residence in Las Vegas, Nevada, as well as a money judgment in excess of $74 million.